Create a network layering diagram. For offices that have a complex internal network that connects multiple computers, servers, and data connections together, an information technology team will be required to provide the proper network maintenance to avoid and troubleshoot possible problems. This team will need to perform at its optimized level to ensure that each segment and area of the network is functioning at its highest level. One way to ensure that the IT team is getting the job done efficiently is by familiarizing them with the intricacies and complexities of the Office network. A network layer diagram featuring each segment and machine on the network can provide the familiarity desired. A network layer diagram can be easily created and developed by using Microsoft Visio 2003. Install and open Microsoft Visio. Microsoft Visio 2003 is an application to allow users to create complex flowcharts and network in a simple, user-friendly interface. Visio lets a user drag and drop commonly used items and shapes in networks and flowcharts and connect it to other items to form a logical and real diagram based on the specifications. Get a copy of Microsoft Visio 2003 and install it on your computer. After installing, run the application. It will prompt you to choose a template for your new project. Since you will be creating a network diagram, choose one of the network templates available. If you are a novice, select the basic network template. If you are planning to create a detailed network, choose the detailed network template. Either way, as soon as you choose the template, a black sheet with grids will appear. At the left side will contain windows consisting of the items you will need to represent various segments and machines on your network. Organize the diagram. Now that you have the items for your network ready on the left side, drag the visuals that will represent the machines for your internal network. Since you will be creating network layers, start with the basic data network all the way to your internet connection. Drag the image of a computer from the left side to the main paper. Everything is done through drag and drop, so make sure to format it the way you want it by using your mouse. Drag multiple computers to form your network. Drag a representation for your router and switch as well. There are many visuals for various machines in a network. Choose what you like. Once all the items are displayed, drag the line icon from the left to the main paper. Connect one end of the line to one machine and the other end to another machine to connect them to the diagram. Repeat these processes until you have created the network visually as specified in the real network. Create the other layers. Once you are through with the first data network layer, you will want to create other diagrams to display the other layers of your network, such as the application layer, physical layer, etc. All you have to do is save the work you have done and open a new document or project. Repeat the same procedures and save when done. Microsoft Visio is an application that is easy to use, which allows you to create complex networks and make them visual for people to understand it better. The interface is simple and the items in a network can be visually represented accordingly by graphic appropriate to the particular item.